In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see all answers in Google Forms easily and efficiently within just 5 minutes. Whether you're gathering feedback from a survey or organizing responses for an event, Google Forms offers a seamless way to collect and analyze data. Today, I'll walk you through the steps to access all your Google Forms answers. So let's get started. First, you need to head over to Google Drive. You can easily do this by typing in drive.google.com into your browser's address bar and hitting enter. Google Drive acts as the hub for all your documents, forms and sheets, making it incredibly convenient to manage your content all in one place. Once you've arrived at your Google Drive, look to the top right corner of the page and click on Apps. This is the key to accessing all the tools and features Google offers within its ecosystem. Clicking Apps will reveal a drop-down menu with a variety of options. Next, from this menu, you'll want to locate and click on Forms. Google Forms is a versatile tool for surveys, questionnaires, and so much more. By selecting Forms, you're accessing all forms you've created or are shared with you. After selecting Forms, you should see a list of all the forms you have. Go ahead and find the specific form for which you want to view the answers. Simply click on it to open that form. Now once the form is open, move your cursor anywhere in the blank space of the form and right click. This action will bring up a context menu with various options. The option you're looking for is Inspect. Clicking Inspect will open the Developer Tools panel. Inside the Developer Tools, a crucial step to facilitate easier reading of code comes next. In this panel, enable Line Wrap. This makes long strings of text in the coding window more readable by automatically adjusting the lines so they fit within the panel's view, eliminating the need for horizontal scrolling. As you have Developer Tools open, you can hover your cursor over different parts of the form. Each hover will highlight the corresponding section in the code, allowing you to see if responses are available in that string. It's like seeing behind the curtain of what makes your Google form function. As you hover, pay close attention to the results in the string where the answers might be displayed. This method allows you to thoroughly inspect each part, ensuring you won't miss any of the important details hidden within the code. By following these straightforward steps, you can efficiently view all answers in your Google Forms, providing you with a comprehensive understanding of your collected data. I hope you found this tutorial simple and helpful. Don't hesitate to reach